Hey YouTube, this is Jeremy. I am in the kitchen in my man cave, and I will be showing y'all how to set the clock on a Whirlpool stainless steel microwave. Your microwave may vary, and your front panel on your microwave may vary. If you're having problems setting the clock on your microwave, consult your owner's manual. Let's get the video started. Okay, this is the Whirlpool stainless steel microwave oven. It's equipped with a timer and a clock, and I will be showing you how to set the clock. You push clock underneath a numeral 7. It is 12 o'clock p.m. That's how to set the clock on a Whirlpool stainless steel microwave oven. It's very easy and simple. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it helped you. Post a comment down below what you think about the video and if it helped. Give the video a like by hitting the thumbs up tab down below, and if you're new to my channel or if you watched any of my videos, if you're not subscribed yet, click the red subscribe button down below and click the notifications. You will receive this video notification on your device anytime I upload a video to YouTube. Thank you.